common lifestyle disorders these days is diabetes. It is also a life-threatening disease. When we talk about diabetes, people are very much concerned about their health because if we do not control our blood sugar levels, it becomes life-threatening and it also leads to other medical conditions such as heart failure, high cholesterol levels, hypertension. The most dangerous is the kidney failure, which leads after the diabetes. And it is very common these days. People who are having diabetes will definitely have some kind of kidney issues later on. So it is very important to control your diabetes. It is very important to control your blood sugar levels on daily basis. We think that not eating sugars will control our diabetes, not eating sweets will control our diabetes, but that's not true. There are certain rules and there are certain do's and don'ts which we have to follow if we are dealing with diabetes. Today I am going to tell you what should we do and what should not we do during the diabetes. If you want to maintain your diabetes, we should do, there are certain points we should consider on daily basis. The first and far most important point that you have to maintain a small and frequent meal pattern. That means eating every 3 hours is very much important if you have diabetes. People think having breakfast on time is also very important. Having meals is also very important, but missing their meals, midday meals between the day, between the main meals is not a good idea. So considering 5 to 6 meals in a day is very, very important. So start your healthy breakfast. Have a healthy snack in between your breakfast and your lunch. Have a healthy lunch. Then consider minimum 2 snacks in the evening and then have your dinner. Sometimes if we have early dinner, it is important to have post-dinner diet as well, which is nothing but a glass of milk. If we start our breakfast and we take a glass of milk along with it, a little bit of protein in it in the form of egg whites or cheese is also a very good idea. The second most important thing which we should include in our diet during diabetes is fruits. Eat your fruits. It's very important. Eat your fruits 3 times in a day. Have different varieties of fruits. When we are talking about fruits, let me tell you what fruits are not to be allowed during diabetes. Pay very good attention. Banana is the toppest one. If you have diabetes and it's not in control, do not have bananas. Mangoes, although mango season is gone, but still mango is one of the favorite fruit for everyone in the list. So do not have mango if you have diabetes. Grapes, the third one, which is about to become in few days. So avoid grapes if you have diabetes. Lychee and chiku are the other fruits which you have to avoid. Let me repeat once again, 5 fruits which we are not going to take during diabetes: bananas, mangoes, grapes, chikus and lychee. Coming to next thing which we should eat during diabetes is salad. Now whenever we are talking about salad, people think that we should eat green leaves or anything which is traditional salads. It's not always necessary. Just having a cucumber, few tomatoes and a beetroot would be good enough for you. If you want to have a good salad, have 1 cucumber minimum at a time. That will make your salad to be 1 bowl during your lunch and 1 bowl during your dinner. So have 1 cucumber, or you can add 1 beetroot or a tomato along with it. This is your perfect salad. You don't have to go beyond these. You don't have to go on the traditional salads. This is just basic salad for you. The next thing which you should include is your nuts. 10 almonds and 2 walnuts is very much important on your daily diet, especially if you are vegetarian. Because if you are vegetarian, the nuts, the healthy fat sources are very much limited for you. So you also need to consider a little bit of desi ghee in it. That means 1 teaspoon of desi ghee is very much important if you are vegetarian. Other than that, 10 almonds and 2 walnuts would be good enough. Next thing is your meals. Your meals should be balanced, considering having proteins in your meals, your carbohydrates in lower amount, your salads, which I already told you, having your protein both the times in your lunch and in your dinner is important. When we talk about protein, people think that we have a glass of milk every day, this is enough, or we have a bowl of curd every night in the dinner, this is enough. But that's not enough. Protein should be there in your every meal. Your breakfast, talk about your lunch, talk about your dinner. It should be included in your every meal. So have protein, have dal, have your eggs, have your chicken, but in a healthy way. Have your fish, but in a healthy way. Have your nuts, but in a healthy way. Do not soak your nuts. You don't have to soak your nuts when we talk about almonds. Just have it as regularly, 10 almonds. What else? I think this much is good enough. If you follow all these instructions during your diabetes, you will be able to control your diabetes. You will be able to control your blood sugar levels. But still, if you want to know more about your diabetes, you still can log on to diet2nourish.com, and there are more information. If you want a diet one-on-one consultation with me, you can find the details below in the link. You can also like this video. If you like this video, if you find the information very considerate to you, you can like it and you can share it with your friends. I will be really appreciative. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.